The energy is the essential element to move the economy and to develop the society. To attain this commitment, it's necessary to grow in a sustainable way, integrating economy, society, and environment. Bsbios brings this philosophy. Produce energy generating jobs in rural and urban areas, always respecting the environment. Bsbios, renewable energy. Welcome to the agro-energy world. Bsbios is among the largest biofuel companies in Brazil, with annual production capacity of 424.8 million liters of biodiesel per year. In its two industrial plants that are located in Passo Fundo, Rio Grande do Sul, and in Marialva, Paraná. Supporting this production, Bsbios counts with a grain processing unit that processes 3,000 tons per day and with 16 origination units in the north of Rio Grande do Sul, with capacity to save in its units 500,000 tons of grains. Biodiesel is the main sustainable fuel currently produced. Made from vegetable oils extracted from soy, canola, as well as animal fats. Grains are received and processed to produce vegetable oil and soybean meal. In the plant, the oil is processed into biodiesel. Biodiesel is present in Brazil since 2005, when was established by law the mix of biodiesel to the mineral diesel oil. As the market is increasing, in 2019 the mix will reach 10% and until 15% in 2020. Bsbios is certificated in NBR ISO 17025 by Inmetro, as well as in GMP plus B2 and GMP plus B3, which are international norms of food security of soybean meal. Bsbios was the first plant in the country to export biofuel for commercial purposes and the first to use railways as means of transportation. Pioneer, the company makes a complete logistic, optimizing the product's flow. The production units are strategically located close to the production of raw materials and integrated with export corridor, which allows the use of transportation means, rail, road, waterway, and maritime, acting in the main ports in Brazil. Engaged in the agribusiness support, Bsbios is side by side with the producer, buying and selling grains such as soybean, canola, wheat and maize, and also soybean meal, feed for dairy cows and inputs. With a qualified team, Bsbios also offers technical assistance and specialist advice, contributing with technological solutions that maximize the results on the field. Through the program Social Fuel Seal, the familiar agriculture is being valorized, promoting the rural economy development and aggregating income and qualification to more than 15,000 families of small producers. Bsbios acquires at least 40% of its raw material from the familiar agriculture. Initiatives to expand the use of biodiesel are being implemented worldwide. More than 40 countries already use the biofuel. In Curitiba, a percentage of public transport uses 100% biodiesel supplied by Bsbios. For Bsbios, being sustainable is having an ethic, transparent and professionalized management that with credibility and simplicity respects and valorizes its employers. The dedication and the commitment of all builds up Bsbios' success. It is the synergy of people contributing to the company to reach its mission and to fortify partners, suppliers and clients. Being sustainable is caring for the social environment that through partnerships with entities and the community collaborates actively to a better world with more sports, culture and leisure. Bsbios supports APAE, which is an entity that supports people with deficiency, a project called Transformação em Arte that provides workshops to recycler sons, the Lar Emiliano Lopes, which hosts children and social vulnerability situation among various projects. Bsbios stimulates the sportive practices development in the society, supporting the Sport Clube Gaúcho with the naming rights in the Bsbios Arena and the female volleyball team Bsbios UPF. It is the sport energy moving Bsbios. Being sustainable is also stimulating the care for the planet. Bsbios is committed in producing a biofuel that is less contaminant and that brings life quality and health to the population. Furthermore, Bsbios develops educative actions that want to aware the current and the future generations, letting a legacy to the society, as the project Sementinhas do Futuro with 10-year-old children and Jovem Produtor Rural until 18 years old people. Bsbios is always innovating and seeking a better future for all. Join us and you will also support this green and clean energy. Biodiesel is the fuel that goes along with the environment and contributes to rural and city development. Bsbios, energy that comes from the field.